Greetings everyone. Today we delve into the critical aspects of business continuity and disaster recovery planning for cloud services aligned with ISO 27017 standards. Importance of BC and DR in cloud services. Business continuity BC and disaster recovery DR are paramount for ensuring uninterrupted operations, especially in the cloud environment. Cloud services, while offering scalability and flexibility, are not immune to disruptions. ISO 27017 provides a framework for addressing BC and DR concerns specific to cloud services. Components of BC and DR planning. Business Impact Analysis (BIA). Identifying critical processes, assets, and dependencies. Risk assessment. Evaluating potential threats and vulnerabilities. BC and DR strategies. Developing plans for mitigating risks and ensuring continuity. Testing and training. Regularly testing plans and training personnel for effective response. Key considerations for cloud BC and DR. Data redundancy. Implementing redundant storage across geographical diverse locations. Failover mechanisms. Establishing automated failover systems for seamless transition during disruptions. Data encryption. Encrypting data both in transit and at rest to protect against unauthorized access. Contractual agreements. Ensuring BC and DR requirements are clearly defined in service level agreements (SLAs). Implementation challenges. Compliance. Ensuring alignment with ISO 27017 standards and other regulatory requirements. Resource allocation. Securing adequate resources for implementing and maintaining BC and DR measures. Integration. Integrating BC and DR plans with overall organizational risk management frameworks. Vendor management. Managing BC and DR capabilities of third-party cloud service providers. In conclusion, business continuity and disaster recovery planning for cloud services are critical for maintaining operations in the face of disruptions. Adhering to ISO 27017 standards provides a robust framework for addressing BC and DR concerns specific to the cloud environment. Continuous evaluation, testing, and improvement are essential for ensuring effectiveness and resilience in the ever-evolving landscape of cloud services. Thank you for your attention. Let's ensure our cloud services are resilient and capable of withstanding any challenge. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.